Welcome back to Fast Money. Gold's rally shining even brighter. The precious metal hitting a fresh all-time high today as the U.S. dollar continues to weaken. Gold miners also climbing, the GDX up 20% over the past month and riding an 8-week winning streak. All these moves coming as the U.S. gold reserve surpasses more than $1 trillion in value. Guy?
Yeah, we'll shelve that for a second. But, you know, the dollar's lost. It's been the worst year for the dollar since 1973. Dollar's lost 95% of its value since 1935. I mean, this has been happening. Now people are starting to pay attention to it. But that's not really the only story behind gold. Central banks have been hoarding it. The Chinese have been buying it. The last 4 years, we've seen record amount of gold purchases by central banks year over year, every single year. Central banks now own more gold than they do treasuries. What does it tell you? Well, obviously the miners have caught a bid finally, and they're playing catch up. But I just don't think the gold trade is over. Obviously, there's something out there that can derail it. I don't know what that is, but the bull case out there is still alive and well, in my opinion.
Yeah, you said you wanted to shelve the treasury.
Well, I know we own, you know, my problem with, yes, I want to shelve it for a second because, you know, there is gold in Fort Knox. It's just a question of how many times has that gold been so. It's not whether or not it's there. I guarantee it's there. It's how many times it's been sold and levered. That's the question that people should be asking, which is why you got to be careful with putting valuations on the back of this.